So next question is, when Carol dashed last night, I dashed my favorite show on television. So last night means something that has happened in the past. So when Carol called, simple past, last night I was watching my favorite show on the television. So this is simple past and this is past continuous. This is a general statement and this is something that was happening in the past when Carol called. Next, I dash for this company for more than 30 years. I intend to stay here until I die. So this person has been doing something for more than 30 years and he intends to continue it. So this would be present perfect continuous. So we would say, I have been working for this company for more than 30 years and I intend to stay here until I die. Sorry, until I retire. Next, Sharon dashed to travel. She dashed abroad almost every summer. Next year, she plans to go to Peru. Again, this is a general statement. What does Sharon like to do? So, she loves to travel. It's a general statement. And general statements are written in simple present. So, Sharon loves to travel. She goes abroad almost every summer. Next, Thomas is an author. He dashed mystery novels and travel memoirs. He dashed since he was 28. Altogether, he dashed 7 novels, 3 collections of short stories and a book of poetry. So, we come to know in this sentence that Thomas is an author and he dashed mystery novels and travel memoirs. So, that is something he does. So, he writes. That would be simple present again. He writes mystery novels. He dashed since he was 28. So, he has been doing something since he was 28 years old. So, he has been writing. Okay. Perfect continuous, something that has been happening and is still happening. So, he has been writing since he was 28. Altogether, he dashed 7 novels, 3 collections of short stories and a book of poetry. So, this is like a concluding sentence, something that he has already done. That is a perfect. So, he has written. Okay. So, this would be past perfect. He has written 7 novels, 3 collections of short stories and a book of poetry. Next, we were late because we had some car problems. By the time we dashed to the train station, Susan dashed for us for more than 2 hours. So, we were late, we come to know, so something has happened. They were late by the time they dashed to the train station. By the time, that means the whatever verb, whatever tense would go there would be in past tense. So, by the time we got there to the train station, Susan dashed for us for more than 2 hours. Susan had been doing something for more than 2 hours. Again, this is a past perfect continuous tense because that has already happened for some time and is still continuing. So, Susan had been waiting for us for more than 2 hours. Next, Sam dashed to change a light bulb when he dash and dash. So, this is when we read the sentence, you get an idea this is something that was happening. So, again past tense but past continuous. So, Sam was trying to change a light bulb. So, it is in past. So, whatever happened after this needs to be past perfect. So, Sam was trying to change a light bulb when he slipped and fell. Next statement would be, every day I dash at 6 o'clock, dash breakfast at 7 o'clock and dash for work at 8 o'clock. However, this morning I dash up at 6:30, dash breakfast and dash for work late because I dash to set my alarm. So, we see first 3 blanks are like a general statement, something that the speaker does every time. So, I wake up at 6 o'clock, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock and I leave for work at 8 o'clock. These are general statements. Now, however, what has changed today? This morning means the morning has already happened, so it's in the past. This morning, it's in the past, so I got up at 6:30, so again past, skipped breakfast and left for work late because So this would be, these were all in past, simple past tense, but finally this would be in past perfect tense, because that was the reason, that was the cause everything else happened, and again it is something, an action that has been over in the past. So for late, because I had forgot to set my alarm.